Sometimes our faith in humanity dwindles. I got scammed yesterday, and I felt bogged down throughout the entire day, as you do after something bad happens. But sometimes you just gotta put it in the past and move on. But how do you get over it? How do you restore your faith in humanity? Okay, so today I got scammed. Well, however I paint this, it was my mistake. But you should be aware just a few things. We booked this place on booking.com, we usually do, but it was taken care of by OYO. So we corresponded with each other for a couple of days. They said you need to make an initial payment, which I responded to saying these are things we need in terms of an extra bed and stuff like that. And they responded back saying, okay, everything is great, but there was no payment link. Now, come the day, our booking was confirmed on booking.com. Now, come the day of the journey, we are on our way to the hotel. So I said we'll just call the property and check with them whether the booking is confirmed and everything is smooth. Now, in doing so, the number on booking.com was a call center number. So I assumed it's OYO taking care of the property, so it's fine. So we spoke to this lady, and this lady was trying to sell us another hotel, which is the first cue why I should have thought it's a scam. But mind you, I was editing all night and pretty tired, so it didn't really work. But we go on. We have a conversation, and she says this place is sold out. Now I'm like, I want this place only. Because it was confirmed, and I'm still thinking I'm talking to an OYO representative at the time. I asked for her name. She said it was Priya. All that. That's another cue. I should have picked up on that, but no. We're 30 minutes away from the place, so I really wanted to get the place and like enjoy the view. I knew it was a nice property because whatever we saw was great. We really wanted it, and we knew there's only like 2 rooms, so it could get sold out. There are a lot of possibilities like this. I asked for the manager, but that didn't happen. She insisted that I give a token fee to book the room and confirm that is mine, so that they could get us registered. Because again, in this area, there is a lot of checkpoints that you have to pass, which you would need to contact your property earlier, just in order so that they have a gate pass ID and stuff like that. This is at the Statue of Unity. Now, fast forward to the part where they asked me for the GPay number. Anyway, I gave them the number that they should contact for GPay. I got a message from OYO, like it was proper OYO. Like now, when you deep dive into it, I found a number and we searched, but on Truecaller it still says it's a registered business and everything. They had the OYO website, everything logged in. Like everything was checking the boxes, other than the GPay number, which I now in hindsight went and checked. In hindsight, with the amount of these messages, I should have known better. There were hints of a scam, but there was hints of you could go with it also, and because of the time crunch, we did it. So I paid about 1,062, and then of course, as usual, they would cut the call and everything. We called the property. We explained the situation to them. They had no clue about it. Our booking was confirmed on booking.com. So the moral of the story is stay with booking.com and do that. And usually, as an experienced traveler, you would. But there are times where it's the Statue of Unity, one day only. You're on this big trip, and sometimes you just get it you just get it twisted and you do things. So it happened, and yeah, that was just a scam, but we've taken the steps. I basically delinked my account from GPay. We informed the property. We will now write to booking.com and pass it on to the authorities. But yes, scams to watch out for. This in itself was very therapeutic. Just saying it, just get it off my chest, get it out of my system, and let's go. Anyway, we have to make a video every day, so can't be having that lingering around. That was a good one. Oh, good morning, and hopefully we're back to a scam-free day.
Let's go.
And now, back to the vlog. See you.
That was a lovely stay.
Yes. Next stop,
Vadodara.
Let's go. So it's another gobble stop. We're reversing so we can get some gobble.
There's some Beros. These future school days. Tender guava with some salt and chili.
There's literally a place called Cow Circle. It's called Cow Circle with 2 cows in the center. I'm not allowed to say it makes me hungry. Today we're starting our day with some home cooked lovely food. Chapati, dal, sabji, papad and some rice and bhaji. Late arrival has arrived.
I've been serving the wife.
Yeah.
We are at Sood Lake, also called as Chandalab. In the center of the lake is a big statue of Lord Shiva, which is 120 feet.
Street food time. Street food time. भैया ये पापड़ी का लोट कहाँ मिलेगा?
Oh, made of rice, is it? Good. What is it? Papadi ka load. Papadi ka load. Speciality in this place, they made out of rice.
Now we're gonna go to the most crowded place on the street. The most crowded stall on the entire boardwalk. So just on the other side of the Shiv statue, Sursagar, is the street food place. Now, a lot of place, nice street food, everything. But there's this particular place called Radhe Pani Puri. Now, it's a father-son run joint and they have 5 different flavors of water. So each Pani Puri is served differently to everyone and you get like a whole round. It's only 20 bucks, really cheap. What do you think about it?
Oh, first time I'm having, it's a unique concept actually. One is a little spicy, one is with mint, one is with little garlic flavor, one is sweet. And he serves so fast, imagine. And it is crowded. It is crowded. He serves even 10 people at a time.
Damn good. Mother?
But I chose to eat only the meatball. Only the sweet one.
Aisa person, but the garlic was the best.
And just 20 rupees is nothing for the flavor that we enjoyed today.
Damn good place. Worth a visit, 100%. Right?
Still crowded.
I think he has already
Look at that. Bob's in Gujarat. We're funny as humans, aren't we? Some of us want to see the best in each other. Some of us want to exploit each other. But that's just how we are as a species. And I did get scammed, but I don't hate it. I'm happy it happened at the start of the trip and it wasn't that much. It only means we're going to be vigilant from here moving on. And it's okay, you take lessons in your stride. And I'm happy we came to Vadodara because even the street vendors we met, the people on the road, it was a really nice interaction. It made you feel warmth and made you feel that love among humans again. And sometimes you just have to put yourself out there to restore your faith in humanity. Because there are good people, there are bad. And some days are just bad, some days are just good. But if you don't put yourself out there, you'll never find out. So, cheers.